In the annals of history, certain events resonate far beyond their immediate context, leaving an indelible mark on the collective conscience of humanity. The execution of Edith Cavell, a British nurse during World War I, is one such event. This article delves into the life, bravery, and tragic demise of Edith Cavell, a woman whose sacrifice captured the world's attention and galvanized a sense of moral outrage. Edith Cavell, the nurse with a calling. A early life and career. Born in 1865 in Swardeston, England, Edith Cavell demonstrated a deep sense of compassion and a calling to serve others from an early age. She pursued a career in nursing and became known for her dedication and selflessness. The Brussels Red Cross nurse. In 1907, Edith Cavell took up the position of matron at the Birkendale Medical Institute in Brussels. This role would prove pivotal in her journey and ultimately lead to her tragic end. 2. The unfolding of World War I. The occupation of Belgium. With the outbreak of World War I in 1914, Belgium found itself under German occupation. Edith Cavell's Nursing Institute, situated in Brussels, became a focal point for caring for wounded soldiers from both sides of the conflict. Edith Cavell, a beacon of hope. Cavell's dedication to her patients knew no bounds. She treated soldiers regardless of their nationality, earning her respect and admiration from all who encountered her. 3. A network of compassion and resistance. The Cavell Network. Edith Cavell's compassion extended beyond nursing. She became involved in an underground network helping wounded Allied soldiers escape from German-occupied Belgium and reach neutral Netherlands. The acts of heroism. Cavell's network, aided by a diverse group of collaborators, successfully facilitated the escape of hundreds of soldiers, defying the German authorities' strictures. IV. The capture and trial of the Sting operation. In August 1915, a German spy infiltrated the network, leading to the arrest of Edith Cavell. Her capture was a severe blow to the resistance efforts in Belgium. The trial and sentencing. Edith Cavell faced a hasty trial, accused of treason and espionage. Despite international appeals for clemency, she was sentenced to death. Via global outcry and legacy. The international outrage. News of Edith Cavell's execution spread rapidly, sparking outrage around the world. Her martyrdom became a powerful symbol of the senseless brutality of war. Edith Cavell's enduring legacy. Edith Cavell's legacy endures as a testament to courage, selflessness, and unwavering dedication to humanity. Her life and sacrifice continue to inspire generations, serving as a reminder of the extraordinary power of compassion and the human spirit. The execution of Edith Cavell stands as a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by individuals who dared to defy injustice and champion the cause of humanity. Her story transcends national boundaries, resonating with people across the globe. Edith Cavell's legacy is a testament to the enduring power of compassion and the indomitable spirit of those who stand up against oppression, even in the darkest hours of history.